Have you ever wondered if one simple exercise could completely transform your body without requiring fancy equipment or hours at the gym? Imagine waking up stronger, leaner, and more confident, all thanks to push-ups. Stay with me because, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why push-ups are not just a basic workout move, but a complete game changer for your health and fitness journey. 1. The ultimate full body workout. Push-ups aren't just for your arms, they're for your whole body. Push-ups are often labeled as a chest exercise, but let me tell you, they work so much more than that. When you perform a proper push-up, you're engaging your chest, shoulders, triceps, core, and even your legs to some extent. Think about it, just one movement targets multiple muscle groups simultaneously. But here's the magic, push-ups also activate your stabilizer muscles. These are the muscles responsible for balance and posture. That's why, when you regularly do push-ups, you start noticing a stronger, more sculpted upper body and a core that feels rock solid. And don't forget, since push-ups are a compound exercise, they help you burn more calories compared to isolated exercises. In just a few weeks, you'll start noticing not just toned arms but also a more defined chest and shoulders. 2. Strengthens your core like never before. Want abs of steel? Push-ups are your secret weapon. Most people don't realize that a proper push-up is essentially a moving plank. That means your core is working overtime to keep your body stable as you lower yourself and push back up. Over time, this strengthens your entire midsection, including your obliques, lower back, and even those deep inner muscles that give you better posture and balance. A strong core isn't just about looking good. It's the foundation of almost every physical movement. Whether you're lifting heavy groceries, running, or even dancing, a stable core will make everything easier and more efficient. Pro tip: if you want to intensify the core benefits, try variations like Spider-Man push-ups, where you bring one knee to your elbow as you lower your body. Trust me, your abs will feel the burn. 3. Improves cardiovascular health. Yes, push-ups can help your heart too. Push-ups might seem like a strength-building exercise, but they're also fantastic for your cardiovascular system. Think about it, when you're doing multiple push-ups in a row, your heart rate increases. This is because your body needs to pump more blood and oxygen to keep up with the demands of the exercise. Over time, this can improve your heart's efficiency and lower your risk of heart disease. Plus, because push-ups are a form of resistance training, they help control blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, two key factors in preventing chronic illnesses. Want to take it up a notch? Try explosive push-ups, where you push off the ground so hard that your hands leave the floor. These not only boost your strength but also give your cardiovascular system an extra challenge. 4. Boosts mental strength and discipline. It's not just about physical gains, push-ups build mental toughness too. Let's be honest, doing push-ups, especially when you're tired, takes discipline. It's easy to stop when your muscles start burning, but pushing through those moments builds mental resilience. And that mental strength spills over into other areas of your life. Think about it, if you can stay consistent with your push-up routine, imagine how much easier it'll be to tackle challenges at work, stick to a diet, or achieve other personal goals. Push-ups teach you to embrace discomfort and keep going, a lesson that's invaluable in today's fast-paced world. Here's a fun challenge: set a goal to increase your push-up count by 10 every week. As you hit those milestones, you'll not only feel stronger but also more confident and motivated in everything you do. 5. Enhances flexibility and reduces injuries. Push-ups can actually make you more flexible and injury-proof. When done correctly, push-ups don't just build strength, they also improve flexibility. How? When you lower your body during a push-up, you stretch your back muscles. And when you push back up, you extend your biceps and shoulders. Over time, this dynamic movement helps increase your range of motion, which is crucial for overall mobility and injury prevention. But here's the kicker: push-ups also strengthen the muscles around your joints, particularly in the shoulders and elbows. This added stability reduces the risk of injuries, whether you're playing sports, lifting weights, or simply carrying heavy objects. To maximize these benefits, focus on maintaining proper form. Keep your elbows at a 45-degree angle, your body straight, and your core engaged. This not only prevents strain but also ensures you're targeting the right muscles. 6. Adaptable for all fitness levels. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, there's a push-up for you. One of the best things about push-ups is their versatility. If you're just starting out, you can modify them by doing knee push-ups or incline push-ups against a wall. These variations reduce the amount of weight you're lifting, making it easier to build strength gradually. On the flip side, if you're an advanced fitness enthusiast, you can try challenging variations like one-arm push-ups, clat push-ups, or even weighted push-ups. The possibilities are endless, which means you'll never get bored or hit a plateau. The key is to progress at your own pace. Start with what you can do, and as your strength improves, challenge yourself with harder variations. Trust me, the results will be worth it. 7. Builds confidence and transforms your appearance. Push-ups can do wonders for how you look and feel. Let's face it, feeling good about your body is a huge confidence booster. And push-ups are one of the most efficient ways to sculpt a lean, toned upper body. Within a few weeks of consistent practice, you'll notice your chest looking firmer, your arms more defined, and your posture improving. But the benefits go beyond the physical. The sense of accomplishment you feel when you go from barely doing one push-up to knocking out 20 in a row is unmatched. It's a reminder of your strength and capability, which can boost your self-esteem in ways you never imagined. 8. It's free, convenient, and time-efficient. No excuses, push-ups can fit into any schedule. In today's busy world, finding time to work out can be a challenge. But with push-ups, you don't need a gym, equipment, or even a lot of time. You can do them anywhere at home, in a park, or even in your office during a quick break. Plus, just 10-15 minutes of push-ups a day can yield significant results. Whether you're doing a quick morning workout or adding them to your existing routine, push-ups are one of the most time-efficient exercises out there. Here's a tip: set a timer for 5 minutes and do as many push-ups as you can. Over time, you'll be amazed at how much stronger and fitter you've become. Are you ready to transform your body with just one exercise? Push-ups are more than just a workout, they're a lifestyle. They build strength, enhance flexibility, improve cardiovascular health, and even boost your confidence. And the best part? They're accessible to everyone, no matter your fitness level. So, what are you waiting for? Start incorporating push-ups into your daily routine and watch your body and your life transform in ways you never thought possible. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing fitness tips. And let us know in the comments, how many push-ups can you do right now? Let's start this journey together. Thanks for watching.